How to get money on YouTube without making videos. So many methods we have listed in this video. Let's start. How to get money on YouTube without making videos. Method number 1. Monetization not enabled. Don't worry. Here are other ways to earn from YouTube videos even without monetization. You can earn a lot by putting sponsor ads to your videos, by promoting products, brands, sales offers, websites. Through this way, you can earn more than monetization also. Next way is to earn by streaming live on YouTube. You can make a live video. If you have a great engagement between you and your fans, then you can generate some passive income by live streaming. There are very effective ways to make money from YouTube without monetization. They are affiliate marketing, getting brand sponsorship, gift from your crowd, member marketing. Affiliate marketing. We have more details on affiliate marketing, how to make money in affiliate marketing. Especially, you can check in the channel below to view and learn from it. Affiliate marketing is an incredible method to make money from YouTube, particularly in the event that you have a little yet straightforward after. You will probably even acquire more from associate advertising than you do from AdSense. How does affiliate marketing work? Affiliate marketing works by collaborating up with brands and advertising or advancing their items or administration on your foundation. This could be a blog, web-based media page, even a YouTube channel. Once enlisted with the affiliate program, you will be given a remarkable link to the item or administration that you are advancing. And afterward, when a client clicks that connection and makes a buy on the compliance site, you will get a commission. These connections normally have following traits incorporated into them and may have a period limited for when the client makes a buy. For instance, with Amazon, it's 24 hours. Yet with Wise, when we have an uncertain trade window for members, we have a lot of programs that we have talked about it. We made a video about it. You can check in the channel for more details like this. We have a video about all these companies that you can make affiliate marketing with them without a limit like this, and you can be able to get a commission on it more than this. Method number 2. Who does it effectively on YouTube? So many people does effectively on YouTube, even me. You can do that much better than this. Pretty much all substance makers remember some sort of subsidiary connection for their YouTube channel. But that is at be that as it may. Some decide to exclusively make YouTube channel for member advertising. You can advertise somebody's services, somebody picture, somebody life on your YouTube. You will pay. You will get commission. Like this person, Tashana James, is a YouTuber who uses offshore promoting as one of the 5 revenue streams that produce her $50,000 per month. The most effective method to track down the best associate program for your crowd. Interestingly, there are member programs for pretty much every specialty, and you can join to them straightforwardly with the actual organization or join a subsidiary organization. So the entirety of your bonuses are kept in one spot. As I said, I have video mainly on this company. I listed out so many companies that you can be able to join to do your affiliate program, advertise their product. If when the client click on the link, you'll be paid. You will get commission on it. You can normally figure out how to try and advance items that are not straightforwardly in your specialty and twist it to uplift your crown. You can be able to advertise somebody's product that you don't even know anything about it. You can post it on your YouTube, display it whenever they see it also, or you can liaise with them that this is what you are doing in your YouTube about their product. They will give you commission about it. Tech-wise, for instance, we have our own subsidiary program for our multi-cash record. You can check the channel and it is adoptable on the grounds that who will not like to get a good deal on unfamiliar trade charges when spending abroad. You can check in our channel below all the videos. We have made something video like this about this. Or then again when sending cash to family abroad. In any event, shopping on the web, you can get details how to do that. We have made a video about it. Advancing items from brand sponsorship. Connect with brands you are kind on advertising straightforwardly. It's an incredible method to bring in cash from you. If you are good at football, those companies that they are producing jerseys, boot, socks. If you are good in any sport, anything marketing, anything business, anything that you are good at, you can go straight forward, get advertise the advertisement on your YouTube. You can do audit style, post or even notice the brand as your week by week support and incorporate a connection to their site. Some influencers organize exceptional rebate code with brands so they can pass reserve funds onto their fans. It likewise makes it simple for the brand to follow deals that way as well. Administration like Driving House, a catalog of as of now accessible brand, coordinated effort and sponsorship that you can pursue and send proposition to All you need is 2000 endorsers of begin, which is 2000 subscribers on your YouTube channel to begin. Whenever you have fabricated somewhat of a faithful avatar, you can utilize local like Patreon to get gifts that assist with financing your YouTube channel. Accumulate a fan base and get gifts. Patreon endorsers for the most part receive a little bonus. Consequently, like additional video content, administers to selective live. Make a live video with your fans. Tell them so many things about you. Don't be discouraged. Tell them everything about you and you'll be paid for it. You get commission. Some they will give you advertisement to advertise in your YouTube channel. Visit conversation, strings, stock, and even haulers on the channel. In the event that you have more than 1000 endorsers, subscribers, you actually want to permit your crowd to utilize the super chats and super stickers. You can pay a little expense to communicate something specific or utilize your one of a kind stickers. Yes. Please subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell for more videos like this to enjoy. Thank you.